Good morning, class 6. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the 8th video lecture of the chapter Separation of the Substance. Till now we are seeing different methods of separation. So this is one more method that we have to discuss. So coming directly to the point, that what is distillation? Distillation is a process. Distillation means it is a process of separating components of a solution by first evaporating it, then condensing it. So it is the process of separating components of a solution by first evaporating, then condensing is called distillation. What is distillation? It is a process of separating soluble impurity, also you can say. It is a process of separating soluble impurity by first evaporating, then condensing it. This process is called distillation. So here is a diagram which says how distillation is done. See this, I'll explain you. This is a round bottom flask, and in this round bottom flask salt and water solution has been taken, and this round bottom flask, on the top it is covered by a cork. This prevent anything coming out and going out, means coming and going, getting in. There is a pipe which is passing through the cork, and this small tube is going directly like this into another container. This is another conical flask. This is a burner. So when you heat it, this solution start evaporating. So here what is going on? Here evaporation. Here evaporation is done, and once it evaporates, vapors of the water or the liquid travel through this tube. In this tube it will travel like this from here to here. Conical flask means it will travel the vapor from here to here. But there is one small thing here. There is a condenser. This condenser, it contains cold water, means there is a tube. Around that tube there is one more tube, and in that tube cold water is passed. There is a pump that is pumping the cold water from here. Cold water enters here and it come out from here. To explain that, I have made one small, you can see this. See, imagine this is the tube. This is the tube and this is the condenser. I passed it like this, like this. Now the vapors are going through this tube, okay, and in this outer tube I have made a small hole here and I made a small hole here. From this hole I am passing cold water, and from this hole cold water is coming out. Imagine the vapor is passing through it. When cold water goes in the outer tube, the outer surface, this surface of the inner tube will be in contact with the cold water, and due to this tube become cold. But inside there is a vapor, but outside it is cold, and due to cold this vapor get condensed, and after condensing, this vapor slowly get collected into this conical flask. So what I am saying, when solution is heated, the water vapor rises and it travels through this inner tube. When it passes through this, the condenser, since it contains cold water, the cold water enter in the outer tube and it will cool the surface of the inner tube, and due to this cooling, this water vapor slowly change into water drops, and these water drops get collected here. Okay, so this is the process of distillation. And here what is happening? It's happening condensation. That's why it is called condenser. Here evaporation is taking place, here condensation is taking place. By combination of these two processes, we can obtain the salt here, because all the water get vaporized and it will get collected here, and the salt will be remaining in this round bottom flask. Okay, and the clear liquid means the purified, the pure liquid or pure water that is obtained is called distillate. Distillate. Pure water or liquid obtained after distillation is called distillate. Okay, so this is the process of distillation. See this, draw this diagram in your book, and if you still someone have problem, you can ask. Okay, thank you for that.